up, y'all? Man, long day. Long day. Oh! Ooh. Yeah, this is studio right here. In the studio. Yep. Hold up. Alright, man. What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. And today, got something special for y'all. Man, it's really special. Oh, what's that? Put on phone. Alright. Well, not everything gotta be extravagant, you know. And that's what I'm kind of realizing doing some of these YouTube videos. You know, your boy not people, but myself, you get a little discouraged when you follow like some of these big guys. And like, it's like getting the game to kind of just do tech reviews, because I like tech across the board, but you forget about the little stuff. And like I said, you watch some of these big dudes and they reviewing Teslas and $10,000 computers and like breaking $10,000 computers like nothing, and it's just like, man, like how can you ever compete with that? But today I got something that can beat that, you know, something that can beat that. Let's see. Right? You know, it's all about the little things. Like, you know, this is the thing, man. And this ain't even funny. Like, I'm just, like, let's see. It's not even funny, though. Right. But, not for real, though. So, I did a video before on the Bullets, the OnePlus Bullets Buzz. Just a quick update on those. They're still going strong. I believe they are still available on OnePlus's website. They were like I said, $70, I believe, when I bought them. So that's a steal for me. So if you are interested in those, I would definitely still go pick them joints, pick them up. But the Bullets Buzz, like you can see here, they don't come with these tips. That's what I wanted to show y'all. It's all about the little things. So these tips are about $7, $8. Got them on Amazon. Let's see. It's about Ryo replacement ear tips. Now, that's what that name says. That's not what I got in mail. It don't even matter. Like I said, like some of these Amazon companies are teaming up and doing the same stuff. But so if you're anything like me, I lose earbuds and ear tips all the time. So like I never, for whatever reason, I never thought about like actually just getting online and buying another set. So yeah, I specifically these ones. So I got a pair of Jaybird Bluetooth ear headphones. So they came with these memory foam comply tips, and I wanted to get those again because I like the way those fit. They create like a nice seal for my ears and they don't fall out. So but when I looked them up, I want to say they were like $20 for just like a set of two. some crazy, yeah, Comply Sport Pro Premium foam earphones. So, and they come in like, I think, yeah, you get 3 pairs, one size of each. So, I don't know if you can see that, yeah. But like, yeah, you know, it is what it is. Like those are probably the ones that came with my Jaybirds. You know, it's whatever. You know, you scroll down a little bit, and you see some of these other boys, and that's where I found these. I think there's another option, like they're called, it's from Newbie, so you can buy them actually from Newbie on Amazon if you look for that one. And you get 6 pairs, and the quality it mimics, if not better than the Comply tips. So, like I said, this, like, I forget, like these, like I said, these like items like this, and like I said, this video, it is important. Like I said, this, like these little things, like I lose my earbuds all the time, like so much, like, and like for me, like I got a dog, you lose these joints, dog go get it, it's a wrap. It's on the floor, so it's a wrap. So stuff like this, you know, useful. It's useful. That's what I'm trying to remember. Useful tech. It ain't gotta be major. It ain't gotta be extravagant. It ain't gotta be thousands of dollars out of my pocket. Like, that's whatever. So that's just me reminiscing. I'm not reminiscing. That's me low-key venting just a little bit, frustrations and whatnot. I'm happy with my channel. I'm happy with anybody who watches it. I'm happy with all that. Obviously, we want to get out here, but I just be free. I had to do videos like this sometimes just to kind of remind myself that it's a process. Like that boy John B said. Yo. Hold up. All right, so I guess I have to plug that channel now. If you ever watch any random stuff on YouTube, so guy named Tut Weezy, check him out. He just does like random voiceovers for like cartoons, SpongeBob and whatnot. He did a song, like he just made up a song off of his voiceover for SpongeBob. Hilarious, and it's been my ringtone ever since he made it. So shout out to that. I appreciate that. But like I said, yeah, man, go pick these up though, for real. Like besides all my whatever I'm talking about, go pick these up for sure though, because like I said, these been a godsend for me at work. They act like the memory foam, also acts as like a sweat resistant type of thing too. So like it absorbs that little bit of moisture, whatever that you get in your ear. The seal is great, so you just kind of squeeze it in and then throw it right in, and then the foam expands back into your ear, so it creates a nice seal. They don't fall out, straight. So go pick these up though for sure. But anyway, man, real quick, just wanted to get that out here, let y'all know where I'm at. But I think I'm on like close to a month straight. I'm happy about that. Trying to be consistent. But anyway, it's your man Wayne Train. This is shot on the iPad, by the way. I'm out.